Today we're going to show you how to strap a thumb to protect from sprains of ligaments that involve the thumb. The joints we're most interested in here is this joint here at the base of the thumb. This is the one most commonly injured with catching sports, ball sports, where you can force the thumb this way or this way. The other joint that can be damaged is at the base of the thumb even lower. This joint's more difficult to stabilise, but we can show you in the strapping that we use, we'll show you how to support that as well. Your thumb is half the hand, so to have your thumb absolutely immobile makes it very difficult to use. So we need to be able to keep some movement with some protection for the ligaments. The materials we're going to use today, if someone has an allergy, a skin allergy to tape, using this Fix-A-Mole underneath is very useful to protect the skin. The tape that we actually apply to provide the stability is this product called Leukovand, and it comes in this width, which is very useful because it has some flexibility but some strength as well. So if I show you how to position the thumb for this taping, we want the thumb to be held back a little and out here a little bit. We do need to stabilise the wrist as well because the thumb really operates on a stable wrist. If the wrist is not also stabilised in the taping, it's rarely very effective. So to apply this taping, we start off going around the wrist, firmly without too much compression. You don't want to make this a tourniquet as it comes around. So we go around the wrist, around the base of the thumb, coming on. It's very important here that we don't make it a tourniquet because otherwise we cut off the circulation down to the thumb, which is a real problem. Coming back around the wrist, back around the base of the thumb, once more around the wrist to hold in place. The beauty of this tape is because it has that little bit of flexibility, it means that it can go around the corners very comfortably. We do need to then lock that off because you can see that this tape in itself doesn't really have a really strong adhesion to itself. So to hold it in place, we'll just use a little bit of ordinary strapping sports tape. Now if the player feels that they need a little bit more stability, you can put some light wraps onto the tape like so. Have the player report back whether they're feeling that their thumb is losing circulation or going numb or feeling like there's a pressure build up, and you can then release the tape if that's a problem. That's our basic thumb taping for our metacarpophalangeal joint and carpometacarpal joint.